Guys, welcome to another video on Roblox Bee Swarm. And yeah, we're just gonna do Bee Swarm. We're just gonna do a Bee Swarm video. That's it. Well, not really, but yeah. But guys, I am feeling hyped today because I am releasing some merch on Amazon. I got myself a t-shirt, I got myself a hoodie. Go on Amazon to get yourself some merch. Also, shout out to my grandfather who designed me the merch. Thank you, my beautiful grandfather. Anyways, let's get into the video. Also, guys, right now I am wearing my new Charlie the God gamer hoodie. Yep, we got hoodies. We got a hoodie, t-shirt, and all that. But I might release some more merch. Also, sorry it's been a long time since I did a video. I'm sorry. It's because I have an issue by recording videos. So I did a bit of off-screen. So now I got a bit of an upgrade. I got myself 11 types. I got 10 Bs. I am ready to go. Let's see. Gonna look at the shop. Let's see what's important. Dun-dun-dun. Okay. Hiking boots. Belt pocket. Oh, bomber guard. It's the left shoulder. It gives me more capacity, more white pollen, and more bomb pollen. Alright. This one also gives me capacity, but it gives my bees 1% bee move speed. And it also gives me times 1.1 player move speed. Alright. I might get those two if I have enough honey. I don't have enough honey right now. Ah! Mantis! Oh, I forgot to say, guys, like and subscribe. And guys, we are 1 subscriber away to getting 30. And remember, if I hit 30 subscribers, I'll do a face reveal. So subscribe if you're new here. I hope some people don't forget about me, because I think I never posted a video since, I don't know, 1 week ago and 2 days. 2 and 1 week ago, I think. Sorry, it's been a long time. Also, by the way, this is part 2. I completely forgot. And guys, in this video, can we please get a solid 3 likes? If this video hits the 3 likes, I'll do part 3. And you can type in my friend request here. It's Charlie123Gamer1. If you see a person that's named Charlie123Gamer1, you're like, this guy looks familiar. And you'll be like this, oh my god, it's Charlie the God Gamer, no way! Also, since my first My Sing Monsters video, nobody has accepted my friend code. Go check out that video and accept it. Or else I'll come to your house and I'll know your address, know your location, I know where you live. I will take the address, I will know your age, I'll know the day of your birthday, I will know your name, and all that. So, accept it right now. Anyways, back to the video. Gosh, I should probably... Also, in My Singing Monsters, please go submit referral and use my code there. You'll get 5 diamonds and I'll get 5 diamonds. and use that code because so I can do a bit more progress and I hope you want to see me react to new monsters. So accept it right now, or else I'll know the address of your house. God, my neck hurts. I was doing some bottle flipping. It was pretty cool. It's been so long since I did a video. Nobody, hasn't. That's it, like a villager. How about things full? Hold on, we have one ticket. Oh, wait a minute. Oh, yeah! That's how you do it. My goodness, we did get a lot of money from that. You know what? We're gonna do this. Oh, it's a memory game. So gumdrop, gun drop. We didn't do it, but for a second, instead of gumdrop, I said gun drop. I'm like, drop the gun right now. Okay, I'm pretty dramatic, am I? Yeah, pretty dramatic. Okay. No, you can't do this to me. No! Arties, what will be type? Ooh, royal jelly. I like to get it. I like to get the royal jelly. Thank you. You might as well go to this field. Give me the prizes. Thank you for the prizes. Appreciate the honey. We're going. Hey, what's up, dude? I'm gonna be him one day. What is that name? Hod, stay still. It says happy birthday, evil bad. What kind of Roblox name is that? That's the worst Roblox name I've ever heard. Demo Bee. I heard about these. They give you a great amount of bomb pollen, so I'm keeping those. My gosh. I guess we bought everything from the shop. There's nothing we can't do there. Huh. Be equipped storage. How does this thing even work? I don't get it. I legit don't get it. What's that supposed to do? Oh, I still need to do that quest, but I'm gonna do that quest in part 3 if this video hits 3 likes. Blue pollen. Guys, I'm gonna do this quest and I'm gonna end the video. Gonna do this quest and end the video. I know this video isn't much, but I just want to do it for part 2, alright? And also give this video 3 likes for more Bee Swarm content. Done. Oh wait, why am I not? Okay. Let's just return this. Whoa! One more quest for silver egg? Bro, bet! Okay, never mind. Guys, we're doing that next video. Never mind. We are definitely doing that in part 3. We cannot do those 2 quests in one video. I think. Let's just fill in the honey, and yeah. Alright guys, I'm gonna end it off. Guys, this was a pretty good video. It wasn't much like part 1, but it was still amazing. And most importantly, please go check out my merch on Amazon. We got a hoodie, a t-shirt, and all that. But we only got hoodies and t-shirts, alright? So please go and get your merch on Amazon if you want a bit of drip. Anyways, I hope you have a great day. Please sure 3 likes, part 3, 30 subscribers, face reveal, and I hope you have a great time. Bye-bye, my Beast Swarm merchandise fans. Get it? Okay. I should stop.